Differentiation is a process in calculus that is used to find the rate of a change of a function with respect to a variable. In simple terms, differentiation tells us how fast something is changing, and it also gives us the slope or gradient of a curve at a specific point. In this topic, there are several main techniques of differentiation that we use. The first one is the power rule, which is used for a term involving x to the power of n. The second is the constant rule, which states that the derivative of a constant is 0. The third technique is constant multiple rule, which is used when constant is multiplied with a function. And the fourth technique is the sum and difference rule, where we simplify differentiation each term separately if the function involves addition or subtraction. The fifth technique is the product rule, which is used when two functions are multiplied together. Next is the quotient rule, which is used when the one function is divided by another, and the last technique is chain rule, which is used for composite function, or in other words, function inside another function. These seven techniques form the foundation of differentiation in calculus.
So find dy dx for y, 3x squared sin 2x. So we need to use a product rule. So what is formula of product rule? Okay, this is a product rule formula. U prime multiplied with v plus v prime multiplied with u. So we write the formula. U prime multiplied with v. So we need to find where is u, where is v. So let's find u prime. So 3x squared, and we need to differentiate it, and then we got 6x. That's our u prime. So we need to find v prime, sin 2x. So we need to differentiate sine to cos and 2x, let's write it, and differentiate inside the column. So we got 2, right? So that's our v prime. So let's put our answer into the formula. So u prime multiplied with v plus v prime multiplied with u. Yes, that's our answer. And then next, we need to multiply all our answer to be a good mathematics sentence. And then we got the final answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question B. Okay, use chain rule to differentiate this mathematics sentence. So chain rule, this is chain rule formula. Okay, we need to label where is u and where is y. So let's write our y and our u. So y equal to sin u in column, and our u is x3 minus 2x squared plus 1. So let's write the formula. So the question asks for u, so we need to write the u. And then our dy du is sin, so we need to differentiate it to cos. And then we need to multiply with du over dx. So our du over dx is equal x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1. So we need to differentiate it. Yeah.
Y ln 2x minus e power of 3x minus 7 minus sin 4y equal to 2x power of 2 minus 9. Find dy dx using implicit differentiation. Okay, for this question, we will, first thing we can do is to divide this question into 4 parts, because each section will use different methods to solve it. And the part 1 is y ln 2s, part 2 e power of 3s minus 7, part 3 sin 4y, and part 4 2s power of 2 minus 9. Okay, we will start with part 1. We will settle the equation with part 1. Okay, for the first question, we will use product rule to get the answer. Okay, the question given is y ln 2s. So we will search our u prime, v, and v prime. So our u is y, our v will be ln 2s, our u prime will be dy dx, and our v prime will be ln per 2s times 2, and it will become 2 over 2s and become 1 over s. Okay, that is the answer. And then we will put in u prime over v, u prime times v plus u times v prime, and then we will get dy dx ln 2s plus y over x. Okay, that is for part 1. And then we will settle the part 2, which is ln power of 3s minus 7. And then for this question, we will use chain rule, and then we will got answer 3 times e power of 3s minus 7. And then for part 3, which is sin 4y. Okay, for this question, we will also use chain rule, which is sin 4y will become cos 4y times d over ds 4y. And then the last part will become 4 dy dx cos 4y. Okay, for the last part, we have 2s power of 2 minus 9. And then when we divide it, 2 will become 4, 2 minus 1 will be, so the answer is 4s. Okay, for all answer we already get it. For each part, we will put back in the question given. So we arrange it. First we will put part 1 dy dx ln 2x, and part 2, so it will become minus 3 ln power of 3s minus 7 minus 4 dy dx cos 4y equal to 4x. Okay, that's what we get. And then we arrange the our calculated answer by put the divided x one on the left and non-divided x we will put on the right. So the equation that have divided x we will put on the left. Yeah, so divided x ln 2x minus 4 divided x cos 4y equal to 4x minus y over x plus 3 ln power of 3x power 3x minus 7. Okay, so we will make it more easy by put divided x in half by divided x open bracket in 2x minus 4 cos 4y close bracket equal to 4x minus y over x plus 3 ln power 3x minus 7. Okay, next we will arrange and then we will got divided x equal to 4x minus y over x plus 3 ln power 3x minus 7 over ln 2x minus 4 cos 4y. Okay, so we already get the answer, but if you want to make it more pretty or more easy to read, we can make it time x for both part and for okay, so we will put 4x minus y per x plus 3 ln over power 3x minus 7 times x, and then for ln 2x minus 4 cos 4y also will be times x. So after cross we will get 4x power of 2 minus y plus 3 x ln power 3x minus 7 over x open bracket ln 2x minus 4 cos 4y close bracket. That's all the answer we will get, and that's it.
Okay, so for the question number 4, you need to estimate the value of 4.02 minus ln 4.02 correct to 3 decimal places. Using linear approximation. Right, so in this case we use the function. So in this case we use the function f(x) is equals to x square minus ln x. Right? So first, using f4 is equals to 4 square minus ln 4. Okay, and you will get 16 minus 1.386, and the answer will be 14.614. So the second step is find the derivative. Derivative. So the function. So the derivative tells us the slope of the function f prime x is equals to 2x minus 1 over x. So substitute 4 into the function and we will get f prime 4 is equals to 2, 4 minus 1 over 4. And the answer we will get is 7.75. And now for the step 3, use linear approximation. Okay, in this one we know that linear approximation formula, in this question we need to find the f 4.02. So f 4.02 is equals to f4 plus f prime 4